Hey guys, today I'm doing my first unboxing video. It's going to be on a pair of Saint Laurent Wyatt boots. Okay. Okay, yeah, you get that. Okay. You ready? Hi. Wow. Pretty new. Just kidding, they're brand new. But this is amazing. Don't really have anything else to say. Okay. Oh, these dust bags are crazy. Oh, what is this? So everyone sees this when I do. I don't know. It's like a mini bag. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Wait. I actually don't know what they are. Oh, they're studs? I believe they're studs for, if any of these little guys come out, they're like replacement studs. That's pretty cool. You'd think a $1,200 pair of boots would have some, like, little extras like that, so. Cool. Okay. Also, before I throw them on, I wanted to show another pair of boots that I recently got. It's these guys right here. It's a pair of Doc Martens. I'll get better footage for it for you, but thought I'd just show you these on feet real quick. So what I did with these is, these are just all black Doc Martens. It shouldn't be that hard to find them if you were like trying to find a similar pair, because I got these at the mall. So it shouldn't be too difficult. All I did was get a different pair of like wax laces, I think these are, and I laced them up similar to how the Navigates have them. So I really like the way they look, almost better. What I did do was I went a size up. I got an insole, and then they fit perfect. It's just like a memory foam insole, so they look like the sole looks a little bigger. And they also are like way more comfortable, because I probably wouldn't wear Doc Martens if I didn't get an insole, because they're really not, they don't feel good. They're not. And then something else I'd also suggest with Doc Martens is, if you can get this little, you could probably see it in there. You could either get, I'm pretty sure it's called moleskin. I've never had it, where it's just like this kind of like little jelly or like little material you could put in the back of your shoes or different parts of your shoes. So you don't get blisters, and these shoes suck if you don't have like all the added things on them like that, so definitely get some of those and put them in there. If not, it's not worth it to get a shoe that's just gonna hurt your feet. But still not a bad deal. I believe I got these for like $150 but the zipper does go all the way down, so that's how we're gonna be putting these on. Okay. They fit. I'm really glad they fit, because I never went to the store to try these on, which I should have done. But they fit awesome. I got a size down, so everyone, if you're gonna get like a pointy toe boot, please go a size down. Yeah, Doc Martens, not comfortable. Wow, okay. Honestly, what I'm wearing right now is the only thing that I'm going to be wearing these shoes with until I get a good pair of jeans. Because I honestly don't have any, like, slightly high-watered or ankle-level pants other than these ones. So this is definitely the way to go. Just in my opinion. Obviously, I could wear anything with them, but I think a lot of other things would probably look corny. So I'm on the lookout for either a black pair of jeans or just more black pairs of pants, or just like more slim fit jeans, because I think these are going to look crazy with those. These pants, if you're wondering, they're from Uniqlo. They're the easy ankle length trousers, I believe they're called. I believe they were $40, so. And this has been my favorite pair of pants recently. They look amazing with these. Wow. It's just going to be me walking around the whole time. As you can see. Alright. Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't really have any way to style this as of right now. I can't put really a styling portion for the Wyatts yet. I will put in a styling portion, more B-roll for the Doc Martens though, because those fit in with everything in my closet right now. Alright, so lately this is how I've been styling the combat boots. Mostly with just the Uniqlo pants or my Vetma jeans. I'll show you what that looks like, but this is like my favorite combination. I think it's kind of slim, but it can still cover the top, or you can kind of rock it like tucked like that. I think it gives off. You can tell. You can cover them up like this. The pants are the perfect length for me to where I could do that. So they look a little bit more dressy and like stuff like that, or you can go like full on like combat style and like hike them up, and then they'll be all bunched and you could see the lacing and like more so the top of the boot.